seesaw, it's a game. I'm just so tired, so sick of the pain. The stupid seesaw, it's a game. I'm just so tired, so sick of the pain. Alright, the stupid seesaw, it's time to leave it and never look back. Alright, the stupid love game, it's me or you who will take all the blame. Why is it so hard? Cause I'm looking at you now, while you're looking at me, and I'm waiting for you, but I don't know how I feel. Can we please make an end now? If you don't, then I will. I don't wanna play anymore. Now it's time to stop. So you don't wanna be the bad guy? Well, I get it, neither do I. And I know it's gonna hurt either way, but you don't wanna be responsible for that now, do you? Why are we here if you don't wanna? Can we not drag this on? But I know I'm not doing a great job. If I can't feel you there at all, and I feel like I'm gonna fall. Oh, who'd have thought we'd be going up and down? If you can't feel me here at all, get down, you know it's dangerous, it's dangerous. Don't think about me anymore. Right, the stupid seesaw, it's time to leave it and never look back. Alright, the stupid love game, it's me or you who will take all the blame.